Following are examples of some of the goals I am currently working on. 2011. Notice that I word them as though I've already achieved them when I have yet to do so. The first goal, I own 5,000 apartments that return over 12%. I own 12,400 apartments today. I'm in perfect health and physical condition. I had no legs. Look at these beefcakes now, huh? Not only am I in the best shape of my life, I own a health company today called 10X Health System. My net worth is over $100 million. I'm 10 times that today, over 10 times, probably 12 times that number today. I have 12 best-selling books or programs. We have 21 best-selling books or programs. My marriage is alive and healthy. My children are friends with some of the most powerful people on the planet. I didn't even have kids then, folks. I have no debt except the debt that is paid by others. $2.4 billion worth of debt today. And all of it is paid by other people. 11 years ago, I didn't have that kind of debt. I think maybe back then I had $10 million worth of debt. Nothing. Oh, I have a hit TV show. 11 years ago I wrote this. Undercover Billionaire.